Get hooked on Sonora Nissan. Your lucky day. You win. There isn't a nicer 2007 Infiniti G35 than this well-appointed gem. This outstanding Infiniti is one of the most sought-after used vehicles on that market because it never lets owners down. It is nicely equipped with features such as bumpers, body color, electronic stability, variably intermittent wipers, power door mirrors, telescoping steering wheel, speed-sensitive wipers, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, tilt steering wheel, automatic temperature control, rear seat center armrest, rear reading lights, power windows, passenger vanity mirror, passenger door bin, overhead console, outside temperature display, leather steering wheel, leather shift knob, illuminated entry, front reading lights, front center armrest, driver vanity mirror, driver door bin, front cup holders, trip computer, air conditioning, front door zone upper carrot, power passenger seat, power steering, steering wheel mounted audio controls, power driver seat, AM/FM/6 disc and -CD with MP3 capability, radio data system, CD player, MP3 decoder, AM/FM radio, overhead airbag, occupant sensing airbag, low tire pressure warning, front anti-roll bar, 4-wheel independent suspension, dual front side impact airbags, dual front impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ABS brakes, panic alarm, traction control, speed sensing steering, security system, rear anti-roll bar, front bucket seats, leather appointed seat trim, 17x7.5J painted aluminum alloy, speed control, front fog lights, fully automatic headlights, and high-intensity discharge headlights. Come down to Sonora Nissan today for a test drive.